Today's Supreme Court decision has left Peter Ellis's brother feeling relieved and sad.
Relieved because he believes his brother is innocent. Sad because he says over 30 years people have been damaged in an unnecessarily drawn-out process. He spoke exclusively to national correspondent Amanda Gillies.
Mark Ellis has had to wait through 30 winters to hear the legal words he finally heard today.
The convictions of the appellant are quashed.
But it was a bittersweet celebration.
I just wish it was Peter that was here hearing it, and my mum.
His mum, Leslie, Peter's most staunch supporter.
Well, I'm still completely certain of his innocence, and we will fight as a family.
But she died recently before her son's name was cleared. Peter himself died 3 years ago, leaving younger brother Mark to be the slightly reluctant public face of the Peter Ellis saga.
Mum was immensely proud of us all. Fuck. No, damn it. Right, hang on. Yeah, she would have been happy. She loved us all.
Mark Ellis learned the Supreme Court decision this morning. He was quietly confident, hopeful that his brother's name would be finally cleared.
It's been such a long time for, could I say it, well, it's the easier, something that should have been fixed years ago. They got something completely wrong.
His brother was openly gay, quirky and flamboyant, and while homosexuality had been decriminalised years before the civic creche allegations, Mark Ellis believes Peter was a victim of a conservative community that hadn't quite caught up with the law change.
In today's society, it would never have even gone to court. But at that particular time, there was a climate, and he was just in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Some of the parents involved will firmly believe that he was guilty. How do you deal with that?
There's nothing you can do about that. That is the unfortunate part about this whole saga, that people have been hurt and people have been damaged.
Mark, have you at all considered compensation? What do you want?
I want his name cleared. He wanted his name cleared. It's probably don't even want to talk about that side of it. It's not important. I remember when he died. It was on the radio. He died a Christchurch child abuser, which he never was, and it's sad that he got remembered that way.
Peter, once described by a police minister as walking evil, died of cancer aged 61, but he fought to clear his name until his final breath.
I know I didn't do it. This isn't me. This isn't. I'm not interested in having sex with children.
He conducted himself so well throughout the whole scenario, and he could have been bitter and twisted. I know he had his dark moments, but he kept them completely to himself.
Mark will have a wine for Peter tonight and send him one last wish.
It would be really nice for him to have heard, yes, we got this wrong.
Amanda Gillies, Newshub.